Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a booking on our platform. The process is very similar for all our brands: ski lifts, sea lifts, and golf drives. Once you've landed on our website, click on My Account. This will take you to the login page, where you will need to enter your username and password. Then hit Login. You are now on your dashboard, where you need to click Bookings, which opens that tab, and then you just need to press the green New Booking button. This brings you to the quote generator, where you start by entering the destinations where your transfer will depart from and terminate, your outward date, your outbound flight arrival time, your return flight departure time, and the number of passengers in your travelling party. If your journey is one way, simply press the one-way toggle so it says yes. Once you've finished inputting your parameters into the quote generator, press Get Quote. You will then be faced with your options for the type of transfer you would like to book. Once you have made a decision, press Book Now. This will then lead you to the transfer summary page. Here, you must make sure you enter the correct information into the fields marked with the red asterisks. If you are travelling with children, you will need to specify their age and if they require a child seat by using the drop-downs provided. When adding the mobile number of the lead passenger, make sure to use your relevant country code, +44 for UK residents, followed by the rest of the mobile number minus the 0 at the beginning. Here, you may also want to add the amount of skis, bikes or surfboards you're travelling with. Where it says email, you will need to enter the email address you wish to receive your booking confirmation to. If you're on a client account, it is recommended you enter the email address of your customer in order for them to receive the email confirmation. Take this time also to check that the information you've entered is correct. Please note that you will need to complete fields for each transfer in the booking. Once you've finished, click the green Continue button at the bottom of the page. Finally, you will land on the confirmation page. Here, you should take time to read over the terms and once again, make sure your booking details are correct. To complete your booking, you must accept the terms and conditions, as well as confirm that your booking details are correct by ticking both boxes at the bottom of the page. Once done, press the green button at the bottom of the page. Our credit account clients will see Book Now, Pay Later, while all others will be redirected to a payment page to complete the booking. Once it's all booked, you will receive an email confirmation to your inbox like this. If you are struggling to locate the email confirmation in your inbox, make sure to check your spam and junk folders as they may end up there by mistake.